Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add background on CapCut. So let's get to it. Here I have created a project in CapCut and we're going to add background to this video. So the first thing we have to do is we can scroll all the way to the right until we find canvas option, and this is the canvas option. So just click on it and select the background option and select the background that you want to add to your video. If you want to add background from your gallery, you just need to tap on this button. But if you want to use the background that CapCut provided for us, you just need to slide your screen like this to find the background that you want. And for example, I'm going to add this background, so just tap on the background like this and we can click on the check mark. Okay, and we can adjust the video. We can pinch the screen to zoom out like this. And if we want to remove the background of the video, we just need to tap on the video. I'm going to go back to the first section, so just tap on the video. Then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find CapCut. And then we can click on remove background to remove the background of the video or the clip. Okay, and we can zoom in or zoom out. We just need to pinch the screen. Okay, but before it we have to click on this check mark button. Okay, and we can zoom in or zoom out like this. Okay guys, and let's have a look on the result. So I'm just going to play the video. I'm going to play the video. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add background in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.